My name is Harsh of Semester 2 BBA Morning A. Today I am here to give a presentation on topic. My topic is impact of COVID-19 on e-commerce industry trends. In short, the COVID-19 outbreak and 2020 will mark a tipping point for the adopting of e-commerce and mobile consumer platform. Consumer move more toward digital. In a sense, the COVID-19 pandemic has changed the way we work, shop and communicate with people more than any other disruption in the recent past. As more people start working from home, they are sticking to basics, stepping outside only to buy essential, and are constantly worried about the risk of getting infected in crowded places like malls and supermarket, being associated with capillary technologies which work with the majority of retail brand across India, Southeast Asia, Middle East and China. COVID-19 epidemic creating a paradigm shift in consumer behavior, spurred on by a terrific of smart mobile penetration, cheaper 4G network and increasing consumer wealth. The Indian e-commerce market was expected to grow to 2000 billion US dollar by 2026. That project was based on customer and market reaches in a pre-COVID-19 world. But in the last 2 months, both the market landscape and consumer behavior has altered beyond recognition. On that is clear indicate that the e-commerce industry will hit the 200 billion US dollar mark much sooner. Some of the key consumer behavior changes according to a survey by NRF. 9 out of 10 consumers have changed their traditional shopping habits. More than 50% of consumers have ordered product online that they would normally purchase at the store. Nearly 6 out of 10 consumers state they are worried about going to the store due to fear of being infected. While some of these changes are no doubt temporary, others will be permanent. As the community moves beyond the survival mode, the digital adoption momentum is likely to carry forward and become permanent. Impact of coronavirus on e-commerce business. E-commerce platform has seen a spike in order to the platform in India over the past few weeks as people logged online to stock up on food, and household products as well as office items like routers, cables and concerns around spread of COVID-19 infected and restriction in public movement that have now been enforced. E-tailing and hyperlogical business including groceries, e-pharma, home and furniture, fashion, beauty and personal care, smartphones, electronic gadget registers growth in the GMV overall in the first 2 weeks of March compared to the same period in February. At the top end, personally saw in 120 to 130% increase in GMV, largely driven by the sales of sanitizers and hygiene products, followed by groceries which saw a step increase of 110 to 115%. Groceries. The Indian e-commerce sector has come to the nearest stand still across the country, hunting the supply of essential commodities amid lockdown. There is a lot of police action on the ground and even interstate movement has been stopped, because of which delivery of essential items via platforms such as Flipkart, Amazon, Grofers and Milk Market are not often. Conclusion. E-commerce industry are on a hike due to outbreaking of COVID-19. Many sector has come from increasing in demand by public as people are not visiting physical market. The high demand for product is also a challenging of e-commerce industries as the delivery of product is not time bounded. The police action and government order has to be followed. So it. Thank you.